I'm Neil Carhart and I am the Unit Director of the Sustainable Systems Unit. The sorts of problems that engineers are increasingly involved with are really big, complex challenges. And the thing that makes those challenges unique is that you can't really address one little part of it in isolation from all of the rest of it, or in isolation from the context within which it operates. So the Sustainable Systems Unit is all about understanding really big, complex engineering projects in their entirety, using tools and techniques from systems engineering to understand all the different bits and how all of those different bits fit together to produce this project that we're really interested in. Sustainable Systems Unit uses those tools and techniques to help us make recommendations to improve the sustainability of those really big, complex projects.
So Sustainable Systems was really great. If you're interested in how the world works and how engineering fits within the world, it's the absolute best unit. You get to actually consider the social, political, environmental and legal context of what you're doing. And thinking about how that fits within wider systems. I know that sounds really complicated, but you get given loads of tools and methodologies and approaches to really wicked and messy problems and how you think about solving them. Okay.
In the Sustainable Systems Unit, we have lots of people from industry who've got experience in sustainability and managing really big, complex systems. But one of the fun things we do is to actually not have that much, people at the front talking to you and do lots of big interactive exercises and play some simulations and games, one of which is all about managing a shipping fleet where everyone in the whole class competes against one another to see who can be the best shipping company. And everyone takes on different roles, like the regulator and the thinker and the ship's mate and the captain. And in teams, we try and manage those fishing boats.
Again, it was one of those units that I really loved because there was so much talk and debate and discussion between everyone in the class. I also really loved it because it's done between not just civil engineering, but all of the units come together. It's very multidisciplinary, so you get to hear lots of other students' perspectives on large systems such as how do we route high speed 2 and is high speed 2 a good idea or not? No one has an easy answer for that, but Sustainable Systems provides you the tools to be able to start thinking about problems like that.
Sustainable Systems is assessed by 100% coursework. It's an individual 10-page report, and at the start of the week you get to choose a really complex, big engineering challenge that you're interested in. In the past, people have chosen things like Hinkley Point C nuclear power station, or Tesla motors, or Swansea Bay tidal lagoon, or solar power generation systems, or even concepts, things like the concept of the EU, or the concept of eating meat, or the concept of travel and transport, and looked at how we could improve the sustainability of them. So for the coursework, you pick one of those projects and you apply the systems engineering tools and techniques that we get to practice during the week, and by applying them, understand the complexity of that challenge or project as a whole, and then make recommendations about how we could improve the sustainability of that project or challenge.